Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse. In this video, we are going to be taking a look at this Thule Evo raised rail roof rack that we have installed on the Subaru Ascent. This rack will fit all Subaru Ascent models 2019 through 2026 with the raised side railings running front to back. The rack is made up of the 53-inch wing bar Evo load bar in the powder-coated black finish, as well as a 4-pack of the Evo raised rail feet. These parts work together to complete the system and secure it onto your vehicle. The Evo raised rail roof rack from Thule can be mounted anywhere along the raised rails, allowing you to position the bars for your specific application, push them far apart to transport canoes and kayaks, or bring them closer together like we have to mount a cargo box or other rooftop accessories. The Evo raised rail roof rack really adds to the sporty appearance of this Subaru Ascent, while also improving the functionality of the vehicle for bikes, kayaks, skis, and more. We've included a link to this rack on our website in the video description. If you have any questions on the system, feel free to leave us a comment below, or reach out to us directly using the contact info at the end of the video. Thanks for watching.